Welcome back to the Healthy Habitat channel. Many of us eat certain foods without realizing their impact on our teeth. So, buckle up as we reveal the top 10 foods you might not realize are causing harm to your teeth. First up, citrus fruits. While lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and other essential nutrients, their high acidity can weaken and erode tooth enamel. This makes your teeth more prone to decay and sensitivity. Moderation and rinsing your mouth after consumption can help. Our second culprit, iced coffee and tea. Both of these popular beverages contain tannins which can lead to staining and discoloration. Plus, frequent sips mean prolonged exposure which can be harmful in the long run. At number 3, sticky candies. These sugary delights might taste heavenly but can cling to your teeth for a long time. This provides a prolonged sugar feast for bacteria, increasing the risk of cavities and tooth decay. Carbonated soft drinks make the fourth spot. Their high sugar content and acidic nature can weaken tooth enamel. And remember, even the sugar-free versions have acids that can be just as damaging. Number 5 might surprise many, white wine. While it's less likely to stain than red wine, its acidic nature can soften the tooth surface, making it more susceptible to staining from other foods. Sixth on our list, chewing ice. It's not food per se, but many have this habit. While ice is just frozen water, chewing it can lead to cracks and chips in your teeth, as well as irritate soft tissues inside. Number 7 is sports drinks. While they promise to rehydrate and replenish, many are high in sugar and acids, leading to tooth erosion and cavities. Coming in at 8, dried fruits. They might seem like a healthy snack, but they are often sticky and can get trapped between teeth. Their sugar content, combined with their stickiness, can be a perfect storm for tooth decay. Our penultimate entry is those crunchy potato chips. While they're delicious, they're starchy and can get lodged in your teeth. This provides a breeding ground for bacteria that feeds on these food particles. Last but not least, bread, especially the white variety. When you chew bread, your saliva breaks down its starches into sugar, transforming it into a gummy substance that sticks to your teeth, inviting cavities. Now that we've unveiled these sneaky food items, let's focus on safeguarding our oral health. Meet ProDentim. An innovative solution boasting 3.5 billion probiotic strains, ProDentim acts as a detoxifier, targeting bad buildup in your mouth. Its powerful combo of lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains sets it apart. But that's not all. ProDentim is infused with special herbs and plants known for their oral health benefits. From pre-cavities to gum inflammation, ProDentim's got you covered. Want a little secret? Using ProDentim might even let you delay that impending dentist appointment. Check out ProDentim. Official links in the description and comment box below. That's all for today, Fitness Corner family. Remember, every part of our body plays a role in our overall health journey. Don't neglect your oral health. Click the link below for ProDentim. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Keep shining, and until next time, stay fit.